good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing competition. Before we start, rag top scoop necks are back, baby. Got them old school Mike Tyson style scoop necks. Bam, new colors, red and black, green and black, and we brought back the black and white. But fair warning, if you wear this shit, work your upper chest, work your traps. Cause if not, you like a goddamn fool in it. It's like you wearing a fucking blouse in the gym. Don't go out like that. Do your shrugs, do your incline bench, wear this shit right. I wear medium in case you give it a fuck. I wear large shirts, but medium scoopness because it's big, alright?
So basically what it's saying, if your chest ain't right, get you one to go swimming in or some shit.
Or when a girl spend the night, let her put it on or some shit like that. Don't you wear it. Don't go out like that.
Don't go out like that.
Like a cross dresser. So check it out. I'm gonna show y'all this exercise right here. I got a new program coming out, upper and lower, and you're gonna see this exercise on the program. That's why the program came out yet. I haven't done my tutorials. I'm doing all my tutorials, and the program should be out very soon. This right here is the goblet cable squat. You probably see people do the goblet squat with dumbbells. Me personally, I like the goblet squat with the cable. It's constant tension all the way from the top, all the way from the bottom, all right? All right, so check it out. You come to a cable station, bring it all the way to the bottom. Get you a V-shaped handle. No other handle would do. No other handle would do, because this is why. This is why. I'll show you. Perfect example. If you use a rope, right, and you start going heavy on this shit, your arms are gonna shake, your grip is gonna suffer, you won't be able to just focus on what you're trying to work. Same if you use a bar. You know, your wrist is gonna suffer, your arms is gonna shake, you can't focus on the workout. This right here, you're keeping your wrist in neutral position, right? And you're pulling close to your body, close to your chest, and that way your lats, the power in your lats is gonna keep everything still. So what you do is you get your wrist and you just kind of have them limp like this. Keep your elbows on your chest, elbows up, and you do what you gotta do, all right? Like I said, this is the only bar that will really work, all right? So get you a V-shaped bar. I put a link on Amazon where I bought this, in case you want to put it in your gym bag. Your pump chaser's gym bag.
Damn.
All right, take it with you to the gym, because some gyms don't have this, believe it or not. All right, you catch it. Now, there's two variations. There's the hip and glute focus, and then there's the quad focus. I'm gonna show you both. Now, the hip and glute focus requires you to go outside your hip width. This is your natural hip width, just standing normal. Outside that, toes out, all right? Another very important thing is this. Stay close to the machine. Come to my side.
All right.
See, look, if you stand too far back, yes, it's cool, but once you're going heavy, like almost as much as you weigh, you're gonna notice when you come down, it's gonna pull forward. You know what I mean? Your back is gonna round. Stand close, all right? Like I said, feet outside shoulder width, toes out. When you come down, don't just come straight down like this. Come down and back. Open those hips. Open the hips right up to here. You know how we do the hip adductor machine?
Right.
That's why, to warm the hips up. When you come down, don't just come down like this. Come down, open here, okay? Open, sit back. All right, see how I'm open?
Yeah.
And then come up, squeeze.
Basically like you trying to take a shit.
Yeah, pretty much. Come down, squat down,
right.
Open the hips, back. Once you feel the tightness, once you hit parallel, come up through your heels, squeeze at the glutes. Almost like when you fucking, bam. 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 Same motion. I'm sorry for being vulgar. I was only way I can explain it. You know what I mean? Come up, bam.
Bam.
So look, grab it, keep it close to your body. Don't have it here. Look, your arm's gonna shake.
Yeah.
Close to your body, wrist limp. See my wrist? And you come down, hips back. See how nice and low?
Yeah.
I feel the stretch in my inner thighs. Up, Bam. Bam. Now look, don't go fast and choppy. The purpose of the cable is to get constant tension the whole way. Don't do this. You're losing a lot of tension because you're using momentum. Let the muscles do the work. Control it down for 2 seconds. Control it up 2 seconds. Nice and smooth motion. Nice and smooth motion. Nice and smooth motion. All right? That's the hip glute focus. Now we're going quad. All right, now we're doing a quad focus. Quad focus, instead of going outside your natural hip width, come to your hip width or slightly inside. I prefer to keep it simple, go with my natural hip width, toes slightly out, and it's gonna hit those quads. Now here's the trick though. When you come down, don't be opening the hips and coming all back like you are with the glute focus. Come more straight down. Straight down, straight up. Okay? Straight down, straight up. So what you do is you hold it, get that chest up, and you come down. Keep the tension on the middle of your foot to your heel. From here to here, you want all the tension there. All right? Simple shit. Bam, bam. Let me show you. And do not fuck the air like you would with the glute focus. We want to keep tension on those quads. So what we're gonna do is we come down, right? Come up and you stop right there. Don't lock out and squeeze at the glutes.
Yeah.
So come down, control, 1, 2, 1, 2, stop before you lock out. Keep that tension. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tension, and let me tell you, it's gonna burn like a motherfucker. Matter of fact, do this shit, tag me on Instagram. Let me know how you love it.
So
High reps, 12 to 15 reps.
don't come back up all the way up.
No,
Don't lock out.
On the hip and glute version,
Right.
we come all the way down parallel.
Yeah.
Fuck the air.
Fuck the air.
The glutes, we getting those legs in. This is the quad version. Feet
Big
closer, control, just keep it pumping.
Big difference, y'all. Make sure you pay attention to that.
All right? So let me show you. Again, don't have your arms here. They're gonna shake. Don't stand too far back. It's gonna pull you forward around your back. Get close up on it. All right? Chest up, wrist limp. Okay? Here we go. Feet, shoulder, feet, hip width, or slightly closer. And bam, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right there. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Perfect.
1, 2. Now look at this. This is locked out.
Yeah.
I'm stopping about right there. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Perfect.
Now, if you're having trouble staying on your heels, staying on your midfoot, try this. Now guys, if you have a hard time pressing through your heels, well, guys and gals, if you have a hard time pressing
Midgets,
through your heels,
whoever, everybody.
We're all different guys.
Fat baby mamas, tow truck drivers.
We got something for everybody, guys. Some people are flat-footed, some people have long femurs. Whatever the case may be, you may have a hard time pressing through your heels. Get you some 10s, or absolutely nothing thicker than 10s, okay? Put them on the ground. This takes trial and error. Make sure you're set up before you start. Like I told you, you want to stay close to here. So figure out where you're standing. See, I'm standing right here. This is perfect for me. Go ahead and set it up.
Scoot them up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
This is still a little too far away. See, it's pulling. A little closer. All right. Now I'm where I want to be. I got my heels on the thing, on the 10s. My feet are hip width apart. Now look, chest up, elbows tucked, wrist limp and relaxed. Look, take a look at this form, this magnificent form. Come down, control, 1, 2, stop, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Perfect form.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right? And there it is. That's the cable goblet. That is the cable goblet squat. Like I said, new program coming in GetHoldReady.com. Upper lower program. If you can't get to the gym 5 or 6 days like us, but you still want good results, this program requires you to go to the gym 4 days a week. Monday, upper. Tuesday, lower. Wednesday, spend time with the kids. Play ball with the boy. Right?
Yeah.
Thursday, upper. Friday, lower. Weekend, go cut a rug.
Do what you want.
Take the lady out to dinner.
Yeah.
And then you back on it Monday. 4 days a week, you're gonna get great results. But keep in mind, this is high volume. You will be in the gym, 60 to 80 minutes. And if you take long breaks, you're making friends in the fucking gym, you might be in there 2 hours.
No excuses. Either they want this shit or they don't, huh?
Yeah, man, I'm sorry. You're never gonna see any hippie workouts come from me. So if you don't like high volume, go buy one of those hippie ass workouts. But I don't see these motherfuckers with a already Hall of Fame. I lost count how many clients I transformed. If you want this transformation, you're gonna do what the fuck I tell you to do. Or else, hire somebody else. Buy somebody else's program. No fucks given. My programs come from the heart. They come from the soul. I put my heart into my shit.
Straight up.
I cannot make a program that I don't believe in.
Right.
And I believe in high volume and hard work.
Shit that you know will work.
Yeah. So this gonna put you in the gym 4 days a week. Be ready to buy it. All right? As always, don't forget, like, oh, one more thing. New Scoop Nicks. New t-shirts. Oh, new t-shirts coming soon. Scoop Nicks are already here. Use Sock 10 at 10% off. Support the cause, support my brother, and we out this bitch. Also, we're recording legs right now. So tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, be looking out for our current leg day, because people are asking, what is Sock doing for legs? This is what he's doing for legs, all right? Peace out, guys. Leg video is coming either tomorrow or the day after, baby. And it will be high volume. If you're not interested, don't join in. Bam. Full control. We're not even pumped yet. We just started. Not even pumped yet. Calves pumped. I ain't even touched calves.
It's warm-ups, baby.
Come on, that's what high volume gets you, baby.